Alright guys, what do we have here? So I'm wondering if you guys think that I go to too many takeout restaurants or something. I don't know. Anyway, these are a lot of my favorite chopsticks, but today we're going to do a fun unboxing of something that doesn't come from one of those restaurants. It's a brand here, Suncha, and it looks pretty amazing to me. I'm not saying that the other ones are not amazing. In fact, I use the other ones all the time, but it is nice to see some really impressive looking chopsticks. And these are definitely that. You guys can take a quick look back here. But anyway, I do not like the packaging because you need scissors, but it is better than some of the other kinds of packaging. I'm always worried about getting cut on this kind because these bits get really sharp.
Likey.